Rustaveli Airport in Tbilisi, and today I'm going to share all the tips what you need for airport till the city. Well, hi there, my name is Tiona. I'm a local guide from Tbilisi, and today we are in Tbilisi Rustaveli Airport, and I would like to show you how to get to the city in most easier and probably most convenient ways. Well, there are two options what we can do. The first one, and probably most chosen one, it could be the taxi. By the way, taxi colors in Georgia are white. And another one, what it could be the cheapest one and most reliable one, could be the public transport, bus. And today I would like to show you how it happens to purchase special card what we need to get to the city. So follow me. There is only one terminal, so it means that you will never get lost here. So we are here, and maybe probably you are thinking what to do. We have to convert your money. I always think that the best place it could be this next to the informational desk. Here is this exchange rate, and probably they have the best rates if you decide to convert money. But I also advise to my guests that it's always better to convert money in the city. There are two main options for bank providers in Georgia: orange color and blue color banks. And if we need to take our card that we need for public transport, we definitely need the orange color option. It costs only $2. So it's noteworthy that banks at the airport, they are open all around hour. So anytime you can visit and take your cards and use it in a public transport. After taking this card from the orange colored bank, we are going to the orange colored ATM to activate it. What we are firstly doing is that after taking this type of card that has duration of different times, for example, we can use this card in bus, in minibus, in metro, and even at the cable cars of Nordical Fortress in Old City. So we definitely need this card during your stay here. So what, after converting your money, you're probably thinking to activate our card, and how it happens. It's very simple and easy things to do. We are just choosing the English language firstly, English flag we can see, and we are just touching here, wait, and here are the options what we can see, and we just are going to buy this new option. To probably we can have 1 day ticket, 7 day, 1 month, 3 months, and even 6 months. Let's select one of this option, and we are putting our coins here that way, and paying. Transaction is completed. Finish. That's all. So if you will need SIM card during your stay in Georgia, besides there are several options to have a look. There are several packages. Packages start from 30 lari, and you can choose the most convenient one as per duration of your visit here. 30 lari is just €10. Now we are going outside, and let's see the bus that will take us to the old city. Tbilisi is a very safe city. My local recommendation it would be just to avoid gypsy ladies. In Tbilisi, you will meet the stray dogs who are vaccinated, who are safe, and who are friendly also. Now let's see how the bus experience looks. The bus number what we need is 337. That will take us to the old city. It is just standing in front of departures, and it's very easy to find. We are putting our ticket here. That's been successful payment. So we are in Tbilisi at Freedom Square, the main square of our city. That's a strategic location. You can try to explore many things. Here is St. George's Monument, Rustaveli Avenue, main avenue of our city. You can explore Opera House, Parliament Building, Blue Gallery, Galleria Shopping Center, the main shopping center in Old City. So behind me you can find Galleria Shopping Mall, one of the largest shopping malls in the city area, and nearby is just metro station of Freedom Square that can take you to any point of the city. So we are in Tbilisi, but if you plan to visit Batumi, you can just continue the airport bus till the last stop, take ticket and continue your trip to Batumi. But in case you decide to experience metro of Tbilisi, just follow. As you remember, we already have this card, what we have taken at the airport, or you can take in orange box here, and then you are just touching at this sensor and enter to the station. Metro, you can find information desks and you have just to choose the direction you need to enter. And here are the information in English, so I believe you find my videos helpful to navigate in the city. Parliament Building. We can explore Blue Gallery with rich art collection in it. Tbilisi Marriott Hotel on Rustaveli Avenue. So this is Opera House, so there are many things to do in Tbilisi. Today I have showed you how to get to the city from the airport, and wait for my next video to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and support. See you soon!